Hello, and welcome to Investigative Math. Today, we will be learning how to multiply two numbers that are close to and over 100. So let's get to it. For our first example, we have 103 times 106. Our first step is to find out how far each of these numbers are from 100. 103 is 3 away from 100, and 106 is 6 away from 100. Our next step is to multiply these two numbers. 3 times 6 is 18, and so we write 18. Make sure when you write your product, you take up 2 decimal places. Our next step is to add these two numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9, and again, take up 2 decimal places, so we write 09. Finally, just write a 1 at the front of your answer, and so 103 times 106 is 10,918. To recap, first, find out how far each of your numbers are from 100. In this case, we have 3 and 6. Then multiply those two numbers. 3 times 6 is 18, and then add the two numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. On each of these, make sure you take up 2 decimal places. After you do that, just write a 1 in front of your answer, and you're done. For our next example, we have 102 times 108. The first step is to find how far each of these numbers are from 100. In this case, 2 and 8. Next, multiply these two numbers. 2 times 8 is 16. And then add the two numbers. 2 plus 8 is 10. After this, just stick a 1 out front, and so 102 times 108 is 11,016. Now that you have an idea of how to do this kind of question, I provided a problem set in the description of this video for you to try a couple for yourself. And that does it for multiplying two numbers that are close to and over 100. If you need me to clarify anything for you, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, leave a like, and if you really loved it, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you later.